In the first video, we have gone through the difficult words or word bank of the chapter. I hope you all have learned the spellings and practiced them. In this session, we will read the story about the clever rabbit who saved the lives of other animals by showing his intelligence. So let's start and see how he does so. Once there lived a lion in a jungle. He used to eat an animal every day. The animals were very sad. They had a meeting. So once there lived a lion in a jungle. Jungle is a place where so many animals live. There are so many trees. Animals live on the trees and everywhere. And lion, he is the king of the jungle. He also lived there. He used to eat an animal every day. So lion, he used to eat an animal every day. He used to hunt the animal and eat them. So the animals, they were dying. There were very less animals in the jungle. The animals were very sad. Because of this, they were very sad. So they decided to have a meeting. They called all the animals and decided what we can do. How can we solve this problem? As you can see, there are so many animals. Giraffe, zebra, monkey, squirrel, deer, owl, all are here and they are discussing about this problem. As you can see, giraffe, he is saying, how do we stop the lion from eating us? He is very worried and saying, how can we save us? We are so less. How can we stop him from eating us? Now, let's see what happened next. An owl, he is very intelligent, he is very wise. He is saying, we will have to think of a plan to save ourselves. What we have to do? We have to make a plan so that we can save ourselves. Because if we will not make a plan, day by day, what will happen? Lion will come and will eat us. Hearing this, deer says, he is very brutal and kills everyone. Deer is saying he is very bad person. He is very cruel. He kills everyone. When we will make a plan also, then also he will kill us. And now see what happened. The rabbit was listening to all this from his burrow. He decided to trick the lion into a trap. Rabbit, as you know, he lives in a burrow inside the ground. He dug a hole and he lives in it. So he was listening and he was thinking about it. They are saying this. What can we do to save ourselves from the lion? So he decided to trick the lion into a trap. He decided to make a plan and trap the lion into it so that he can save the other animals. Now let's see what happened next. Now, how he decided to trick the lion? The rabbit went hopping to the lion's cave and said in a loud voice, "Dear lion sir, I need your help. Another lion has come to the jungle. He wants to eat me." Now rabbit went hopping. He jumped and gone to the lion's cave. And in a very loud voice, he said what he said. He just sat outside the cave of the lion, and from outside only he said in a loud voice, "Dear lion sir." He addressed the lion and he said, "I need your help. Please help me, sir. I want your help." Another lion came into the jungle. He said, "One more lion is there in the jungle and he wants to eat me." Now, what happened? Hearing this, the lion got very angry. Now, lion came outside from his cave and he was very angry about this. Another lion came into the jungle and he was very hungry, and he said, "Who dares come in my territory and eat my food? I will kill him." He said, "Who is there who entered into my territory?" Territory means an area. He said, "Who has come to the jungle and is eating my food?" He was very angry, so he said, "I will kill him." This was the point when he was trapped into the trick. Now let's see what happened next. He is sitting in the well, said the rabbit. The lion started marching towards the well. What he said? Rabbit said, "He is there in the well, sir. Come along with me. I'll let you see where is the lion." Another lion, and the lion, he is also walking with the rabbit to see that lion. Now that's all for today. Till then, read the story, this story, and in the next part we will be completing our story, and we will be doing the word meanings also. Till then, stay home, stay safe.